Okay. Change the episode name to episode 10. Always nice. I'm going to call this how to preemptively strike the bear. Preemptive bearing. Bear. Poking the bear. Poking the bear. Poking the bear. Episode 10. Because today I'm going to make some trades. Trying to dodge the next correction of Bitcoin. Let me see. No, it's not made for kids. English language. English language. I sort of speak English, right? Kind of sounds like English. Recording date today. The allow comments. Yes. Newest live chat. Enable live chat. Save that mother. I think we are live. Welcome to Crypto Gutshot. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. That would help the channel grow. I would be very, very much obliged to you if you did. As always, I'm going to start with a little sound check because loads of times I'm just babbling into the microphone like now, and I'm not even transmitting any audio because I forgot to power on my preamp. But today I see the light of the preamp burning, but I want to make sure, so I'm visiting my own live stream. Going to check for a second if there's something in the... Yes, I have audio. Okay, let's mute it. Okay, let's keep an eye on the stream. In this screen, let's bring up my trading screen. As you can see, I have opened up CoinGecko on Polkadot. I'm very impressed with what Polkadot did for me today. 33%. Let's go over my other wallet. So my other bag in this wallet is Kusama. 17% growth. Ren 6% growth. Doing great. Synthetics 11% growth. I did minimize that token, so there needs to, maybe I need to move the Ren into the synthetics. Voyager, not impressed. But who knows, right? Curve is hurting me, so Curve is going to go out. Solana, I totally built out of Solana, so I am going to build that wallet again. Now it's affordable. Nice dip here. Look at it at the 30-day. Why doesn't it move? 30-day. Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's moving sideways, so it's nice. That's nice. Chainlink is something I want to get into because look at this beautiful curve. Let me show you this. This is cool. When Bitcoin was correcting, right? Chainlink kind of went along with that, and it fell from $18 to $13. So now Bitcoin is correcting again. It's breaking down. So I think that Chainlink is also going to fall. That means that in a couple of days, maybe 2 or 3 days, I can buy Chainlink for very cheap and look at the growth potential for Chainlink. This is not financial advice. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just looking at these stats and trying to make the best of it. The mission of the channel is to grow my initial investment of $100 into 1 million in 100 days. Everybody says it can't be done, but I'm trying anyway because I want to see for myself if it can be done. Don't tell me things can't be done. Not even if you make total sense or have a logical explanation for why you think that is. I want to find out myself. See how healthy this is. A year's worth of curve. Look at how this grows. That's why I like Chainlink. So I'm waiting for a discount. I want to be on this side of the big thingy bingy, and then I want to take a ride up with it. Hopefully that gets me somewhere. Look at this, 30 days, 50% returns a year, 700% with 7x, that's 7.5x. Super sweet, just a year. So this is a very cool coin. I want to keep an eye on it. Avalanche is something I'll probably move into today. Avalanche, in the history of Avalanche, did nothing but amaze, right? Look at these last 100 days, 180 days, 90 days, healthy. It's fucking healthy, super healthy. Look at these volumes. There's always money coming in and out of this coin, and I love the way this is looking. Look at that. So I'm just going to go into Avalanche today, maybe with all the smaller wallets, or maybe I'm going to reinforce my Polkadot wallet. But Polkadot is a bit high to buy into. Don't want to buy at the high end and suffer at the losses, suffer at the downtrend. So let me take a look at my total portfolio. Boom, boom, boom. Just a second, let me open Evernote so I can show you, guys and girls, what I left off with yesterday. Okay, there Evernote is. Evernote. All you need is notes. La 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 la. Yesterday I closed at 195, which was amazing. We made a lot of guap. We made $8 yesterday on our live stream. $8 an hour, almost minimum wage. Right. Nowhere near it, but okay. We opened today at $213. $213. That's nice. So our decisions yesterday brought us to $213. Today, so that's a further $8. We made $16 yesterday. I think that's very cool. It's a nice growth. So what we now need to do for this week, we need to grow to $385. I think it's possible if I do the following. I'm realizing totally that 30% growth here on this Polkadot would have been way more meaningful with more money inside Polkadot than my money spread. Okay, I'm kind of negating risk by having multiple coins that can all do positive results, but I'm not growing. And the point of this entire mission is explosive growth. So I need to hit 120% growth this week. So since I already explained that I think that Polkadot is too high right now for me. It's too high to dip into right now. But there's also a crash, and there are some coins that are mimicking Bitcoin too much, and Bitcoin is going to correct. That's what everybody says on the YouTube channels that I watch. Bitcoin is going to, correction is imminent, and it may be 20%, it may be 30%, maybe 50%, maybe 60%, may plummet all the way down to $3,000. Nobody knows. It's not very likely based on the information that I have gathered, but I'm not an expert. I know nothing about crypto, and I need to be also applying my own brain to draw my own conclusions and find my own way in this space. And I think that looking at coins that didn't mimic what Bitcoin was doing around 10 and 11 January might have a good chance of not repeating that same behavior, not going along with Bitcoin around 10 and 11 January. Because like here, look at this. This is Polkadot. Polkadot had a little dip, right? A little dip. It went from all the way up here, 9 to 7. So that's almost a 20% dip. I don't care because afterwards it did marvelous. But still, if you write this down for 20%, buying more, it might take a little while. It might take like 6 or 7 days to get over that loss. I don't want to ride that. I don't want to ride that wave. I want to get in on the loss and I want to ride it up. Kusama, on the other hand, did something totally different around 10 and 11 January. Kusama did this. Kusama went down from 74 to 59. Oh, it's about, that's 18% dip. So that's 2% less. Basically, it did the same thing. Okay, let's see what Ren did. January 10th. Yeah, like Ren really suffered. That's huge. Going from 45 cents to 30 cents. 25% dip. Synthetics, what did you do? Synthetics, what did you do? On the 10th, it went sideways. On the 11th, it dipped. So let's say 14 to 11. Wow. That's 280 difference. Yeah, that's 20% dip. What did you do, Voyager? What did you do? I need to find a coin that grew during this period. That's basically what I'm trying to find. Yeah, I think Voyager grew. No, it didn't. It went sideways on the 9th, it dipped on the 10th, and it dipped a little bit on the 11th. But it started growing while Bitcoin was still going sideways. So Voyager might be a nice bet. I don't like Voyager right now because it gave me shit returns today. But Curve has got to go. Curve, whatever is in Curve, needs to get out of Curve. I have 15 Curve right now. I think that's $17, 16.5. I must trade the Curve fast. So I am going to try and focus all of my money in 3 coins. 3 coins that I think that can deliver good growth. Okay, so on the 10th, it went from 3 to 2. Whoa, it's 33% dip. Super volatile. But kind of all along this period, it went sideways, so people trust Solana. That's something. Chainlink. 10th, 11th, big dip, big dip, big dip, big dip. So we know that Chainlink is not our homie. Ren potentially is. Avalanche looks super sexy. I want to get into Avalanche. That's what I'm doing. No, Avalanche is too high too. Oh, Avalanche is so high. But Avalanche is green across the board. 7 days, 14 days, even though. So I'm looking for coins that even thanks to, like, regardless of what happened the last 14 days, have green numbers in the 14 days block. And they all have. Okay. So my whole theory makes no sense. Again, the only thing I need to do is I need to find fast growers. I need to put my money in there. And I need to make sure that I just have 2 or 3 coins and can do all the growing for me. So I'll fuck it. I'm going to put everything on Kusama and Ren. I'm just going to ignore the rest. I'm going to take a little bit of a punishment. Let me see. Let me refresh. See if I still have $213 in this mother. 221. Dope. Okay, so I'm going to put everything in Kusama and Polkadot. Right, Kusama is still, Polkadot still beast mode. Kusama still nice and fresh. Bomb. Yeah, Kusama just earned me all that money. I should have put my money in there earlier. Ren, are you with it? No, Ren ain't. Okay, Ren is on the sell list. Synthetics is definitely on the sell list now. Voyager is going. Yeah, curve, Voyager, and curve. Let's liquidate Voyager and curve first before they hurt me more, and then put Voyager and curve into Polkadot. Fuck it, because I fucks like that. And then let's see tomorrow if we regret that. So BNB needs to, yeah, okay, let's do it in BNB. That's cheaper on the Binance network if you use BNB. So I'm going to sell all my curve. I want 15 curves. I want them out of here. Why is this ain't? What? Why this ain't? What's wrong? These people are selling. Yeah. This will get picked up in no time. Sell curve. Limit order created. So the difference between this is 3 curve satoshis, or 3. Oh, 3. You know what? Curve is hurting me. I'm going to cancel this one. I'm just going to sell at the lowest, at the highest possible offer for this. Sell. Order filled. Okay, got rid of my curve. Now I need to go back into the fiat and spot wallet. Next one out was Ren, Synthetics, Voyager. So curve, we out of here. Thank you, curve. Voyager is the next one. Voyager token. I need to go to BTC for this one, but that's okay. That's okay. You are hurting me. You need to be gone and sold. Let's get these into Polkadot quickly. Polka. Polkadot is, of course, it's dot. Ooh. I need some dot BNB. And I need to buy 100% of my BNB needs to go into dot. And I want this price. Ooh, is there a big discrepancy? Yeah, 200. So if I go into like 490, 480, 460, 460, I should be on top. And it was filled and bought up. Cool. Now I need to go to dot BTC. The same thing. I want to sell 100% of my BTC for a dot. I need to go into here. The difference is oh, okay. The difference is it's moving fast. Just buy that. 100% dot, of course. I bought it. Okay. I reinforce my dot. So that's a Voyager taken care of. Now Synthetics and Ren need to get sold off. Need to reinforce my Kusama now, I think. Wallet. Wallet. So we're talking about that Ren. I'll open up these bags later, but wait, let me go back. Ren. Ren has pretty good numbers, but okay. Sorry, Ren. No emotion. Let's not get married to these coins. Kusama, what do you trade into? Kusama could be bought for KSM. Kusama could be bought for Bitcoin. Yeah, Kusama can be bought for Bitcoin and for BNB. So Ren is BTC only, so I'm selling my Ren. 100% of my Ren. 100% of my Ren. Let's go to 7.0. Let's not be greedy. 7.0. Sell Ren. Pick me up before you go. People are fucking with me like a yo-yo. I got picked up. Okay, cool. So that's my Ren. How about that Ren? Definitely sold it on a profit. Need to get into Kusama before Bitcoin crashes. Get into Kusama before the Bitcoin crashes. I need to buy 100% of the Kusamas I can buy for all of my Bitcoins. I'm definitely going to get picked up at 07. Oh, sorry. Am I still? I'm going to, yeah, 07 will definitely get me a deal. No, I can go cheaper. Why would I fuck myself? I can do this at 90 and get picked up in no time. 2. Limit order created. No. Trying to be the cheapest person on the blockchain got me traveling down the list again. Okay, cool. Limit order filled. I reinforced my Kusamas. Super dope. Okay, so that's Ren. Taking care. Was it Ren? Did I sell Ren? Yes. I sold Ren. Synthetics. I'm not selling you because I don't like your synthetics. I'm selling you because you're not growing fast enough. Kusama can be bought with BNB and BTC. So SNX. BNB. I need to sell all my SNX, 100% of it. And I need to sell it cheaper than you. Cheaper than 30, cheaper than 29. 598. I'm just going to add a little to this because that is frustrating. Oh, yeah. Picked up. Buy SNX. Need to go into the Kusamas. KSM. I need to go into the BNB chart. And I need to buy. What are you guys offering? 410, 49. That's a little bit cheap. I'm going to go for 560 is what they're asking. So if I go for 530, I should be picked up in no time. I don't need to sell my KSM. I'm on the wrong side of this. I almost did it wrong. 30. $529, $529, $5. Four. I want to be cheap. 460. 100% of KSM needs to be bought buy KSM. Link order created. Pick me up, motherfuckers. Oh, people are outbidding me. They're offering more. 100% of the Kusamas need to be bought for. Why are people asking 700 for it? I'm just going to go for this. I'm going to go for 6. That went fast, man. That went fast. That Kusama. Kusama is on the rise. People are willing. Cancel. Fuck it. I'll buy it. I'll buy it all. Just get me into the Kusama. Partially filled. Okay. I can't buy any more Kusamas. Okay. So I guess I'm left with this BNB. Let's say goodbye to synthetics. Did we sell off Solana? Did we sell? Let's go into my wallet first to see what we have. Wallet. Via the spot. So obviously I lost some money. 218. I lost about oh, nothing. I gained $5. Okay. Well, I lost about 3 since the last time I refreshed on transactions. So I now have KSM, Polkadot, Solana. There's 0.3 Solana in my wallet. What does that mean? Ren is what's left because I sold off Ren. Curve, this is what left. Ren. Solana. I need to put the Solana into the BNB anyway if I want to buy some more Kusama or Polkadot. So I'm going to crush my V1s. I'm going to crush my smaller tokens into BNB. I'm going to crush Curve, Ren, and Solana into BNB. Not doing anything wrong here, right? Convert. Orders, wallet. Oh, I didn't even lose that much on it. I lost 40 cents on it. Okay. Going to go, which one is more advantageous right now? Hitting up the Polkadot, still growing. Hitting up this, still growing. Kusama has a little bit of a dippy. That's cool. Polkadot also has a little bit of a dippy. I'm going into Polkadot. No. I'm beef up my Kusama bag. Yeah. Kusama at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Recoveries today after little dippies. Good. Kusama is just straight power. Kusama is my power coin. Hardcore Kusama power. Okay, trade. Don't sell your Kusama, Rashid. Don't do it. Don't sell your Kusama. Buy the Kusama. I need to guess in 100%. I need to just pay what you want for it. That's cheapest. Must be at least 1. I do not have enough BNB to buy a Kusama. What are you saying? Seriously? It won't let me buy more Kusamas? That's shit. I feel like I have to burn my BTC into Kusama now. Anyway, I can't. I should have selected the BTC too because I can only do this once in 6 hours. Okay, so I don't have enough money in my BNB wallet to buy some more Kusamas. So this just isn't enough. Let's see how much BNB that is. BNB. How much BNB is this? 0.0. It's $1. Okay. I'll leave that in then. Okay. So I want to get in Chainlink after the dip. I want to get an Avalanche after the dip. Okay, let's look at my PNL. My PNL. My spot profit and loss analysis. So, line is still going up. That's something cool. Interesting. I am invested in DOT 57%, KSM 41%, BNB 0.89%. They say that I made $61 between the 15th and the 17th, but I don't think I did. Because if you take $61 off of this, that will mean I was at 140 on the 15th, and I definitely wasn't at 140 on the 15th. And the 15th I was at 119. So this is full of shit. This, you can't trust this. This is some bullshit. There's $61 in profit over the last 7 days, according to this thing. Let me see. Last 10 days. Or last 7 days. Let me get it from the 10th to here. 127 to 200. Yes, okay. There was about 73. 86. There was $86 in gain in this time period. This thing doesn't know shit. Information. Oh, okay. The sum of each day's profit and loss from day 1 to day end. Okay. Okay, so this is average. Okay. I can live with that. Don't really understand everything. Cumulative P&L. Cumulative P&L is cumulative P&L divided by asset in spot account from day 1 plus average net transfer and deposit from day 1 to end. Okay. Okay, Hermes. Okay, so I think I'm going to see a little bit of a loss here tomorrow because I feel that Bitcoin is going to do a couple of donkey jumps. Look at that Bitcoin go. It has a head and shoulders here. It had its second peak, which it also did in 2017. It had dip and one peak. Now this also has the head and shoulders mother. So this could very well go down. There's no guarantee for it because this went down and then it came up and then it turned into this little run. This could very well do the same thing. But I think that Bitcoin is going to, like tonight when I'm in bed sleeping, Bitcoin is going to go down. Bitcoin is going to go down violently. It's going to do this. Right? Like I think okay, let me say this first. I'm an idiot. I know nothing about crypto trading. I'm just trying to apply my own senses. I've been doing this for literally 10 days. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I think that Bitcoin is going to go here. I think we just witnessed this. And we're here right now. And this is the way down. And what it will do, what I think it will do, is go through some of this shit. And I don't want to be on that. I don't want to be near that. So this, I discovered that they call like this period from this last big bull run, or maybe from this last big bull run, they call it a bearish market because the highs get lower and the lows get lower. See, Bitcoin was all high and mighty at 20K back in the day, and it got its face kicked in back to 3,000. So since we went to 40K right now, I think Bitcoin can get its face kicked in all the way down to 6,000 over the next years. And then when I see it hit 6,000, I'm just going to sell my car, buy Bitcoin. Fuck it. I can get 6,000 for a car, and then I'm riding it to the next wave, which could be like 80,000 2 years from now. That would be nice. But in the meanwhile, let's try and flip my $100 into $1 million. Let's do it. Okay, so how much am I away from my goal? I'm currently at 217. 220, okay, I'm already recovering. If I go over 222, I already made a profit on these trades immediately. Let's go to the dumb people tool set, the percentage calculator. See how far away we are from our goal. I can't even write percentage. That is exactly how tired I am today. There you are, percentagecalculator.net. I need to go from 177 or 173. I need to go from 173 to 385 in order to grow roughly 122%. At 385 is the target, minus my 220 right now is I need to grow 165 in how many days? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, in 4 more days. So I need to grow for I don't need that. Where's the CE? I need to grow $41 a day. $41 a day. Okay. Let's go back to the percentage calculator. 40. Was it 41? Yeah. Let's make it 42 to be safe. So we hit that mother. So what percent of 220? Calculate. I need to grow by 19% a day. I think I can do that. I think we're safe. I think we are safe. I think we can do that. But we're going to have one day where we're not growing. We're going to have one day where we probably going to plummet by 20% in value. What is 20% of 220? 44. Okay. So we're going to see this plummet all the way down to 180 again. This is going to be 180, and then in the following 3 to 2 days, I'm going to have to make like 80 a day, $80 a day, which is more than I ever made before. So like my biggest day was this day, probably going from 188 to 213, $16. But I feel that now I have consolidated, is that the right word? I've concentrated my money into 2 power coins. I think that because I increased the value of what's in those containers, I can grow faster. Because now if Polkadot does something nice, like if Polkadot grows 40%, right? 40% over the money I have in Polkadot right now is nominally way bigger than 40% would be over what I had in it before, or all those little gains from 20 here, 7 here, 5 there. So I think the risk might be a little bit higher, but there's more chance at fire. So the reward for that risk increased. That's my thinking. Okay, let me see how much money I have in each of these coins. Wallet, fiat and spot. hardcore trading. So I'm kind of trying to prevent myself from people going bearish on Bitcoin and Ethereum by going into coins that didn't move more than 20% when Bitcoin last corrected. I think that that's something that I can say after doing all of these trades, that is what I have done. Don't know if that is enough, but it could be something. Okay, so 6.9 Polkadot. 6.9 Polkadot is $126 old-fashioned dollars. Okay, this is Bitcoin. I don't need that. I need my Kusama, yo. KSM, yo. Where you at? Kusama, Yerodimo. 26% growth, dope. Okay, killers in the street. How many Kusama do I have? 0.68. Almost. I have almost a full Kusama. Crazy ass Kusama coin. I have 91 euros in Kusama. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see if I can put 20% on my 90. What is it? Okay, so if this repeats tomorrow, there's no guarantee that that will repeat tomorrow. That might be in the red tomorrow. But if it repeats tomorrow, if I grow this 191 by 26%. Yeah, let's go to the percentage calculator. What was it, 91? Did I say 91? Yeah, 91. If I 91 to I grow by 26%, calculate, I would put $23 on this. That's huge. That's fucking huge. That's more than I've ever made in the entirety of this series from a single day. So if that happens, if I wake up tomorrow and I've grown 26% on this Kusama coin, this would take me to what is it, $115 in Kusama, which is absolutely bloody brilliant. Let me see what it would mean for Polkadot. Polkadot is fucking beast mode. Yeah, I know it can't, like this 40% is crazy. 40% is sick. It's behaving like a little baby altcoin on page 5. It's fucking nice. Okay, so 40%, let's say 41%. No, that's 40%. 40%. Let's do it. Just for entertainment purposes, right? I have $123 inside of Polkadot. It's going to grow 40%, which is $50 on top of my. Oh shit, man! We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay. That would take my Polkadot into the 70s. Into the low 170s. So that's 160, 70, 72, 172 and 20 cents. That's some dope shit right there. So okay, so I'm taking a huge risk with this. This can drop all the way down to 180 by the time I wake up, but for the same but I believe that there's a chance. I don't know if I believe it or that I just hope it, and that my bullishness is overtaking my my power of reasoning. But there could be a chance that I either have $180 tomorrow because Bitcoin corrected, or less, I don't know, and I have in the other scenario I would have 290 euros when I come back. When I come back next, 290. That could be a thing. But also it's very dangerous. I bought at the top and already losing a little bit of money. It could be that Kusama just stops growing and it does something weird and it falls down, and it's going to take me 2 or 3 days to recover. Or whatevs, yo. So Kusama, a year long, 10,000%. 10,000. This year it grew 10,000%. The fuck? If I put in €1 in Kusama, I would have had 10,000 euros a year ago. Shit, if I put in 100, I can't even calculate what I would have. I would have a million. I would have a, yeah, I would have a million. No, I wouldn't have a million. I would have 100k. No, I wouldn't. No, because I would have had a million. Fuck it. I'm just going to come out and say that I can't do calculus. I would probably have a million. Shit, man. Kusama is the future. Look at this. Look at this, motherfucker. Look at this. Like a year ago. Oh, no, it's November. It's November. Ah, January 20th. I should have bought Kusama at $1. Somebody should have called me January 2020, and they should have said, hey, okay, this is going to be a shit year. Lots of financial doubt, fear, and uncertainty. But if you give me $100 now, I'll put it in Kusama for you. I get 200k, you get 800k. I would have said, fuck y'all. But it's the truth, man. It's the truth. This shit happens. Oh, this is not financial advice, because this is not even advice, but this is a regret. I should have gotten into Kusama way earlier. The fuck, Kusama is my powerhouse. But things that go up violently tend to come down violently, and if we move into a bear market, right, as they call it, this could be a waste of my money, and I just have to wait a year. But fuck it, I'll buy more on my way down. And just give me your Kusama, you doubtful bitches. Give me your Kusama. That's what I'm going to do, man. I'm going to be the Kusama man. I'm going to hodl and hoard Kusama. That's the game plan. 10,000%. I have 10,000%, man. Greed is getting the best of me right now. Oh, there's some. Oh, I saw this on the interwebs. So there's something that is called the greed index. When the greed index is peaking, everything crashes, right? Greed index, Bitcoin, crypto fear and greed index. This is super nice. I have to probably sign up to see it. Oh, right now, extreme greed. We're in a state of extreme greed. 84% greed. 84% greed. Extreme greed. Yesterday, extreme greed. Last week, extreme greed. Last month, extreme greed. But hey, what I see, the greed is going down. So that's safe. That's safe. Like, greed is when everybody is just buying and not moving, not getting shaked out of their coins. They just want those ups. They just want to bull the fuck out of the market. That's what they want. That's what greed is. And then there's this state that people call euphoria. If you reach it, then Bitcoin comes down in a screaming tempo. And I think that the greed index is related to that state of euphoria. If greed reaches like 100, things come crashing down. How many people are in profit on Polkadot? I want to know what percentage of people are now in Polkadot. Oh shit. People are using Polkadot to predict the future of Bitcoin. That's not good. That's not why I bought my Polkadot. Dot returns. Okay, so if Bitcoin does bad, Polkadot does great. Okay, perfect. That's what I wanted to see. That's what I wanted to see, definitely. Oh yeah. Yeah, this makes absolute sense, yeah. Okay, perfect, yeah. I'm not going to translate this because I can't read it. But yeah, yo. I should probably read these articles and learn something. Coindesk, okay, Coindesk. Ethereum, Stellar, Ripple, Chainlink, Bitcoin. Okay, homie. What is this? Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Zvu. Okay. Enough of this. I think that the episode is over. Let's close our portfolio. Let's close the day at 217. What do it do? Even though we hit 222 today, I think 217 is a nice $4 growth for a single session. Super nice. Let's see how this goes. If you want to help the channel, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Once you hit subscribe, also please hit the all button so you get notifications every time I come online. And maybe we can chill and chat in the chat. And nobody has ever typed anything to me in the chat. And I just found out that the 2 viewers that are watching me is actually me, because I have one screen open to look at the chat. Nobody's watching this show. Nobody gives a flying fuck about what I'm doing, but it's okay. It's okay. I can guarantee you that if I reach like 200k, if I make this post, bam, I turn $100 into 200k, and it's actually the truth, and people can see it on my screen. I think that's where the chatters start joining the channel, because yeah, I'm doing live streams, right? And live streams are the worst. Like YouTube's algorithm doesn't award live streams. It's just okay, low click-through rate, low rewatchability, and also with crypto, it's a day-to-day thing. So if you don't make a video that is like delivering value that transcends the daily purpose, it's not going to get any views. So if I get 60 views on a video, that's a lot, especially because I have 0 presence on Twitter. My friends on Facebook just give me a like and they'll leave a comment on my Facebook post, but I don't think that they'll actually watch the video unless it's Dux. Shout out to the homie Dux. Thank you for your Kusama tips and your Kusama support. But I don't think that the rest is watching. So in Holland we say, van je vrienden moet je het hebben. Of your friends you can expect the most. So if this is the trend, then my friends are not my friend, but the trend might be my friend. I don't know. Are my friends my friends? Leave a comment if you think this is a gezellige show. And yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know. I would love some more subscribers, yeah, but if it's not in the cards, it's not in the cards. I'm just having a shitload of fun doing this, and I'll keep on doing this for 90 more days, because this has been episode 10, and that means that the first 10 days are over. 10% of the show is in the can, and I still have the majority of everything in front of me. And if I can grow $168 in 4 days, I still believe that I can turn $100 into $1 million. I still believe it. So let's hit that 100%, 120% growth for this, the target for this week, and then I'll just knit an end to the show. This is it's been great fun. Yeah, please comment if you think I'm stupid by consolidating all of my money into 2 coins. If you think there should be a different approach, yeah, leave it in a comment. I'm willing to take advice, do a little gamble, because in the end, if I lose everything, I only lost $100, so it's not a big drama, as they say. Okay, I'm giving myself a like right now, because nobody else will, and I'm going to quit the show right now. So grab something from the affiliate links in the description. There's some cool bonuses in there. Of course, I get a commission, a little bit of kickback if you buy anything, or if you finish any courses, or watch any videos. I'll get a little cutback. That will all help my portfolio grow. It will help in the mission to get to $1 million. And I'm very transparent. You can see anything I earn flow right back into the channel and into the quality of these videos or my portfolio. And you can see me get that guap. That should be very inspirational, and hopefully you'll enjoy my journey of learning something totally alien to me. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not emulate what I'm doing unless you think it's fun, and then it's your own choice as an adult. I'm just a mongoloid trying to turn 100 into a million, and I might succeed and I might not, but I'm very bullish on the fact that I think that I will succeed. So let's see how it pans out. I'm going to make a nice thumbnail, and I'm going to share this video all over the internet until I get some post flagged for spam, and then I'll call it a night. Maybe watch a little bit of Cobra Kai, even though it's very poorly acted and a very stupid series and it's annoying. But hey, I'm invested, right? Cheers. Where's my fucking mouse?